Assalamualaikum my friends, my name is Mohammed Suban and you are watching Sobi Technology and Entertainment. Today guys, I will tell you how to put an alarm in your windows. Some of you people may know about this but many not know. So let's start our video. First of all, go on start and write here task. After that you will click on task scheduler. As you will click there, this window will appear. After that you will click here on create basic task and name it as you want. For example, I will name it as alarm, my new alarm for Facebook. Write here anything you want in description and then click on next, and it says when do you want the task to start. So I will check this daily, and then after next, and occur every one day, yes, next, and put here a time at what time you want to your alarm to appear. For example, I will put 9:15 and then 00 after that PM, and then next, and then check this start a program, and then next. Now click on browse and open your favorite one you want when it will be alarming. So I will choose this and then click on next and check this. After that, finish. Now properties are come. From here you can change the setting you did in last time. So click on action, we will create a new, and click on display a message Facebook, and write here as online on Facebook, chat with friends, and then this, and click on OK. Now your task is created, so click on OK. After that, if you want to see it, then go on task scheduler library and click on alarm and then run. It will appear like this when it will be alarming. Oh, my computer is hanged. As you will cancel there, this message will appear online on Facebook and chat with friends. Okay, so my friends, as you can see, it was very easy. So if you like this video, then like and share it, and if you are new to this channel, then subscribe it. Bye and Allah Hafiz.